Hey, Eldad. Hi, guys. This is Alice in Dunbar calling. I was just driving, and I saw a dog hiding beneath a car. I pulled over. I tried to get the dog out, but the dog was so scared that it was making moves like it would dart, and I was so afraid I would chase it onto Hauser, and it would be hit by a car. So I put some food down underneath the car, and I am calling you guys, and I am perfectly happy to foster this dog. I just don't know how to get her. Okay, thanks.
Hello there.
Allison.
I know you.
How are you?
How are you?
Good to see you.
You too?
Thank you so much. What can I do to help?
She's not interested in my food, but maybe she'll be interested in yours. Allison,
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring a fence. I want to enclose this whole car.
Great.
Let's just put this around so if she runs into it, she gets tangled. Hope the owner doesn't come right now. Hey you, come here, come here. It's okay, come here. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Hello. There we go. Okay.
Trying to get around.
It's okay. There we go. Good girl. Okay. Ready to come out?
Girl.
Come on. Girl. You wanna come to my lap?
Some usual day, everything seems okay. Lights in the moon, perfect for
Come on up. Up, up.
your headphones are like a sheet
How cute is she?
silence.
Come to me. Come on.
She likes you. Isn't that favorite?
Another chance to change is gone.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much for your help.
caring.
Oh, thank you for the kisses. That was a good rescue. I'm glad I grabbed that fencing right before coming.
Amazing.
Here, you want to sit on her lap?
Come here. Come here to me.
Slow. Okay, can we do this?
Do I need to do anything to the girl?
Yeah, she has a microchip.
You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. So what do we do?
Oh, we're gonna call, see what's the deal. I live from the hospital.
Oh my God. You are getting in the right car.
Another chance to change is gone. There will be new ones, but first you have to find them. This is the day we don't look away from the wings of humanity today. Cause it's life, life, life.
Hello.
Life is too short.
Oh, you're wagging your little tail. That's a good change. Is your dad?
Changes can only start.
Do you know this guy? Do you know this guy?
Another chance to change is gone. There will be new
He's a little nervous.
you have to find.
There we go, okay.
This is the day we don't look away from the wings of humanity today.
I'm so sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
Call.
This is today. We don't look away from the wings of humanity today. Cause this life is too short to waste a chance.
Is your dad here? Did your dad come see you?
Erica, missed you. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so glad you're okay.